Excuse me, hello.
Hello.
Can you
Hi.
help me, please? I'm looking
Yes.
for Poletna.
Oh, just go straight by the lake, you'll find it.
Okay, thank you very much.
Have a nice vacation.
Dobrodošli v Sloveniji.
Uživajte na zasluženem dopustu.
Za varnost bomo poskrbeli mi.